Understanding, address the problem. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful phrase, address the problem. Whether you're navigating through daily conversations, professional meetings, or academic discussions, understanding and using this phrase can significantly enhance your communication skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. When we say, address the problem, we're talking about taking steps to identify, confront, and find a solution to a specific issue or difficulty. It's not just about acknowledging that a problem exists but actively seeking ways to resolve it. This phrase emphasizes a proactive approach towards problem solving, rather than ignoring or avoiding the issue. Using address the problem in a sentence is straightforward. It can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal discussions. Here are a few key points on how to use it. In a statement, we need to address the problem before it gets worse. As a suggestion, let's address the problem by holding a meeting with the team. In a question, how do you plan to address the problem? Remember, the focus is on action and solution-oriented dialogue. To better understand how address the problem can be utilized, let's look at some examples in different contexts. In the workplace, the management team will address the problem of low employee morale by introducing new engagement programs. In academia, the committee decided to address the problem of academic dishonesty by implementing stricter policies. In personal life, I decided to address the problem of my unhealthy eating habits by consulting a nutritionist. These examples show how versatile and applicable the phrase is across various situations. Address the problem is a powerful phrase that signifies taking responsibility and action towards solving issues. By understanding and using this phrase, you can communicate more effectively and navigate through challenges more efficiently. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English language learning journey. Don't forget to practice using address the problem in your conversations to become more proficient. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.